Hello dear children. In this video, we will be discussing the first chapter of Geography, Class 9, chapter India, Size and Location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of the world history. Now, let us try to understand the location of India. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and the longitudinal extent is between 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees north divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and the southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Now next we discuss the size of the Indian landmass. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. It is clear that India is the seventh largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Himalayas as the Young-Fold Mountains in the northwest and northeast. South of about 22 north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Let us try to find out the answer for this question. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Sun rises nearly 2 hours earlier in the east of India than far west. This time lag can create confusion with regard to time and can also further create problems in managing the time for transportation network such as of railways, airways, roadways, etc. To avoid this confusion, a standard meridian at 82.5 degrees east has been selected. This standard meridian passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India at 82.5 degrees east passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country, which is also known as IST, Indian Standard Time. So dear children, this video covers the first part of the chapter, India, Size and Location, and in the next video we will discuss India and the world and also about India's neighbors. Thank you and God bless.